In this video, we're going to be packing our launcher tabletop up into two packages. One is just going to be a launcher, and the other is going to be the launcher plus the 16-inch tabletop. If you haven't already, make sure to add straps to both of your Riley Ramp logo decks. We're going to start with our Riley Ramps deck, one of them. Make sure that you can read it and then flip it over. Once you've got it flipped over, kind of untuck the straps. Make sure you have a bit of slack in them. If you don't have slack, you can depress the cam and pull from the bottom to get more slack. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the end here and we're going to pull until the cam touches at the top. Okay, so now it's touching up here. We're going to make sure that the strap is completely flat. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. Pull. Okay, it's touching at the top. The strap is flat. Now we're going to take all this slack and we're just going to move it to the outside. This is so we don't set any of our parts on top of the slack. Okay, starting out, this is going to start out the same way as a Renegade does when you're packing it. We're going to grab two of our kicker sides, place one at the bottom and the other the opposite direction at the top. And then we're going to take our tabletop side, 16-inch tabletop side, and slide it in between, just like that. Next, we're going to take our other tabletop side. We're going to set it here at the bottom, keep the straps out to the side, all the way at the bottom, yeah. Then we're going to take one of your large cross braces and set it in. Then you're going to take the small cross brace and set it at the top. Next, you're going to grab the 16-inch tabletop deck and lay it in here. Make sure you take all the bungees and put it out to the side. This way it'll lie flat on top of these pieces. Next, we're going to take two large cross braces and place them like so. Now we're going to start with our launcher sides. We're going to place one launcher side and then a launcher to kicker connector. And we're going to place our other launcher side and place the other launcher to kicker connector. Finally, we're going to take one of our launcher decks. We're going to place it right up top. Do up the bungees on either side. I like reaching down and pulling up first on both sides. Okay. Now we're going to do the bungees the other direction. Okay, now we got our straps. We're going to grab our straps and put them over the top. Okay, now to tighten the straps, we're going to pull the top of the cam. We're going to pull it away, and then we're going to pull it up. Up is going to tighten it. Pulling it away is going to get rid of the slack. And then we're going to pull up to tighten. So this is the bigger package. This one contains the tabletop deck and with one of the launchers. Next, we're going to build our second package. We're going to start the same way. This is just packing up a launcher. That's all that's left is one launcher. So you're going to take your Riley Ramps deck, make sure you can read the logo, flip it over, pull to get your straps lined up. Okay, checklist. Cams are touching the wood or almost touching. Flat, the ribbon's lying flat. We got our slack moved out of the way. Now we're going to pack up a launcher. To start, Get this grass out of here. I'm gonna take 2 kicker sides, lay them in a rectangle like that, take a large cross brace, put it next to them, take our launcher side and a kicker to launcher connector, then the other launcher side and the other kicker to launcher connector. And we're going to take our 2 last large cross braces and lay them over top. Shimmy it so it fits. And we're going to take our launcher deck, make sure all the bungees are laid out. Okay, now we're going to start doing bungees. Pull from the top. Then lift the side and do the bungees to the bottom. And we're going to take our strap and lay it over the top, tighten it. And there we go. There's your second package. This one is just a launcher by itself. There we are. We've got 2 packages. We're ready to take them with us on the go and ready to ride.